Do you want to make the woman you love worry about losing you? Hello guys, thank you for tuning in today. I'm your favourite girl Gabriella from KarmaLifestyles.com, and today we'll look at the 10 ways in which you can make a woman worry about losing you. But guys, before I continue, why don't you hit that lovely subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the next coming video. We all want to be desired and appreciated such that our significant other or crush is afraid of losing us. Take it from a woman, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is set yourself apart from the other men in her life with these simple tricks. Number 1, be honest. Just like every man wants himself a truthful woman, women tend to adore a truthful man. Therefore, with the scarcity of truthful men in the world today, it will be your favour if you are always truthful to her. Trust me, no woman will want to lose you. Number 2, don't hide your vulnerability. As men, you are taught to hide your feelings no matter how badly hurt or disappointed you feel. For this reason, being vulnerable to your woman communicates to her that you trust her enough to be yourself without feeling any less of a man. This way, a solid emotional connection is developed, something that every woman desires. Number 3, love her for who she is as a woman. As women, we want to be loved and taken as we are. Unfortunately, there is a fine line between love and control that you should never cross as a man. Once you choose to love your woman, love her with all flaws and imperfections without trying to change. Such unconditional love inspires us to change into better versions of ourselves. Now, who doesn't love herself more than a man that makes her a better person? Number 4, show her that you genuinely care about her. Take it from a woman. Minor things make the most significant differences for us. Showing a woman that she is always on your mind communicates that you genuinely care, which every woman yearns for. You can do this by calling, texting, and remembering personal details about her life. No woman will want to give you up. Number 5, don't be too available. As the saying goes, absence makes the heart grow fonder. Being too available allows any woman you are interacting with to get too comfortable and bored with you. Being scarce, however, therefore shows that you already have a life that is going well for you. This makes her desire to be a part of whatever you have, hence chase and want to keep you around. Number 6, be independent. Different women are attracted to different things in men, but one thing that cuts across the board is independence. If nothing much, independent men are attractive in showing leadership skills because every woman wants a man who can lead her. Besides love, being independent also makes your woman see you differently, and that breeds much respect and regard. Number 7, develop yourself. Every woman knows that a man who makes an effort to develop himself at personal or professional level values himself. What's more, you will bring more to the table than a man who is comfortable with where he is in life. Personal or professional development, therefore, makes you a better partner with a functional and healthy relationship. No woman wants any less for herself. Number 8, be fun. Like earlier I mentioned, it is minor things that make all the difference for women, quality women. Therefore, being a fun person makes you memorable, which will make any woman want to be around you at all times. Being fun doesn't have to be anything complex. It's as simple as making your girl laugh and smile as often as you can. Number 9, be confident. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to be confident of who you are as a man. It has nothing to do with what you have going well for you. Be confident in your short height, be confident in your style, and so on. Don't get me wrong, there is a fine line between being confident and overconfident. Overconfidence comes across as arrogance, which will repel girls, while confidence will attract girls to you. The ones who are lucky enough to have you will not want to give you up either. Number 10, be loyal. Being a player may make you famous, which more or less feeds your ego. While girls might be interested in you, you can bet that you are famous and not because you are a player. In the same way, you want to be the only man for your woman. She also wants you to be the only man for her. Trust me, being loyal to your girl therefore will make her dread losing you. This is usually from a place of respect, which will also feed your ego as a man. And that's all for today, guys. You now have a cheat sheet to make make yourself irreplaceable to the woman you love. Please check out our services and ebooks at karmalifestyles.com. I'm Gabby and I will see you in the next video. Bye!